enough. But you need someone to spice it up. So who you gonna call? Cardi, Cardi. Come and rev it up like a Harley, Harley.
Hey girl, welcome back to my natural hair channel, Locks of Kinks. It's Scotty, and I know why you guys are here. I know why you're here. So without further ado, let's get right into rice water, rice water,
rice water, rice water,
rice water,
rice water, rice water,
rice water. We all want to know. I want to know myself. Everybody wants to know about the rice water. I got you. I got you. No, seriously, I got you though, for real. I know why you're here. So I've been doing rice water, or incorporating rice water into my hair regimen for the past year now, and I love it. Where I just basically deep condition. Maybe I should turn the air off, huh? It just got really quiet in here. BRB. Hey girl, about once or twice a month, I just do a deep condition with rice water, but never every week. But I haven't done a rice water rinse now in maybe about a couple of months. So yeah, this is me starting from the very beginning, and we'll go all the way to the very end. I'm gonna do this rice water challenge where I'm gonna deep condition with the rice water every week when I wash my hair for a month. So 4 weeks for them things, okay? Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started.
To make the rice water, these are the ingredients you are going to need: a bowl, a couple of citrus fruits, and of course, rice. I'm taking 1 cup of uncooked rice and adding it to my bowl. I am then going to rinse the rice, then fill my bowl up almost all the way. This will be enough water to make 2 full jars of rice water. Now I'm literally going to wash the rice as if I'm washing clothes by hand. I'll pick up a handful of rice and rub my hands together and repeat. And I'll do this for about 20 minutes. I just love the way the rice feels. It exfoliates my hands in a way, but you do not have to do this as long as I did. You can see the rice is nice and ground up at this point. You just want to make sure that your water is nice and cloudy, almost resembling milk. Now to the fun part. I'm going to transfer the rice water to a pot big enough, being sure to strain the rice. Now, remember those lemons? We're going to peel those lemons and place those peels right in the pot and allow the rice water to come to a boil. Once the rice water starts to boil, it's time to remove it from the heat and transfer it to my jars. And no lemon peels shall be left behind, so we are going to take the lemon peels and pop them in the jar as well. For anyone wondering about this recipe, I got it from a fellow YouTuber by the name of Josephia Rosado. Check her out if you want more background on this rice water method. So of course, before we begin this 4-week journey, it's only right we do a length check before getting started. I transferred some of the rice water to a spray bottle, but I would usually be ignorant and literally dump the jar on my head. But for demonstration purposes, you guys get the classy version. I did all that parting to my hair just to realize that was going to take forever. So I took my hair back down and just sprayed the rice water all over my strands. Once I have the rice water applied, I just like to work it into my hair really good. As you can see, I'm getting super soaked. Hey, super soaked that. Oh, okay. Some of you may be too young for that one, but I'm going to take my handy dandy grocery bag and allow my hair to sit in this rice water. Admittingly, I had been killing two birds with one stone. While the rice water is in my hair, I take the time to detangle, working smarter and not harder. This week I was a little worried because I noticed a little rust stain on the rim of the jar. Mind you, this jar has been sitting for about 3 weeks now, but it did not smell spoiled at all. So this is the last week of my rice water treatments. However, I don't know what happened to this week's video of me applying the rice water to my hair, so I'm just going to skip ahead to the results.
But first, let me make a disclaimer. Rice water does not grow your hair. Okay, and I know some of you are confused. It's okay, I'm about to clear it up for you. Let me explain. Rice water helps to promote length retention, meaning that the hair out of your scalp probably grows at the same pace as it normally would, you know, depending upon you, how you eat or what's your intake, how you take care of your hair, whatever. Your hair is probably still going to grow at the same pace, but with the rice water, it helps to promote length retention. So as your hair continues to grow out of your head, the ends of your hair remain intact, ultimately leading to length. And the ends of your hair from breaking off, ultimately leading to the extra length. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, great. Now we're on the same page, okay? And we'll see if my hair has actually grown. My experience with the rice water this past year, I would say it added a lot of moisture and shine into my hair. I just wanted to make sure that my hair was healthy. And that's really what it comes down to. If you want long natural hair, just focus on it being as healthy as possible, right? So I don't want you guys to think this is just like some magical juice that I'm about to put on my hair and it's just gonna work. I thought it'd be a fun thing to try with you all and actually invite you guys to try it out with me. Try it out for 4 weeks yourself and you let me know how it works out for you.